Press conference outside of City Hall today. City Mayor Jack Young urged everyone to comply with the governor's stay-at-home policy after the city announced 11 confirmed cases of COVID-19. WMAR 2 News' Ray Strickland is live right outside of City Hall tonight. And Ray, we understand the police commissioner was there at the news conference as well. What did he say about enforcing the governor's orders?
Yeah, Jamie, Baltimore City Police Commissioner Michael Harrison says the department created a social distancing task force to make sure the people of Baltimore comply with the governor's orders. So far, the department, he says, only received a few calls of social gatherings of 10 or more people. But right now, he says, police have only dispersed crowds and did not yet arrest anyone. With that said, city officials reiterating the fact that social distancing is the best way to help limit the spread of the virus.
I need the residents of Baltimore to do their part and to really stay home.
Mayor Jack Young's plea to the city of Baltimore, urging people to listen to the governor and comply with his stay-at-home order.
You must comply with orders designed to limit social gatherings and to ultimately slow the spread of COVID-19.
The mayor's latest appeal comes after the city announced there are now 31 confirmed cases of COVID-19.
Personal protective measures and social distancing remain a vital mechanism to prevent the spread of respiratory illnesses.
The city's health commissioner outlined the protocol for testing because the COVID-19 tests are in short supply.
Patients showing no symptoms do not need to be tested at this time. Patients with mild symptoms but who are otherwise healthy should self-isolate, and these patients do not need to be tested at this time.
But let me be very clear. The Baltimore Police Department continues to enforce the laws in our city.
In response to the governor's stay-at-home order and for all non-essential businesses to close, Police Commissioner Michael Harrison says he's putting more boots on the ground to make sure everyone is following the law.
But we have had a few calls to disperse gatherings of 10 or more, and we will continue to do that. And we will continue patrols and answering calls to make sure that our social distancing task force will go out and make sure that businesses are in compliance. And when we find that they're not, we'll take the appropriate action.
Harrison also addressed National Guard sightings to reassure the public.
I want to take this time to play down any rumors that might be out there. The National Guard is here to support meal distribution, provide aid in planning and transportation and logistical assistance as needed.
And also during this press conference, we were told about 9 Baltimore City fire personnel were tested for the virus after coming in contact with 2 suspected cases. We were told that all of their tests came back negative, and after being placed on leave, all of them are now back on the job. Wow. Live outside of City Hall, Ray Strickland, WMAR 2 News.